Have you ever felt a deep, nagging pain in your shoulder that seems to shoot all the way down your arm? Maybe it even causes tingling or numbness in your hand. If so, you might not just have a shoulder problem, you could be dealing with nerve irritation. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to break down why this happens and more importantly, how you can fix it. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance, and we've helped thousands of people get rid of nagging pain in their shoulders and get back to doing what they love. If you've been struggling with radiating arm pain, it's time to figure out what's really going on and how to fix it for good. Most people think that if they have pain running down their arm, it must be a muscle or joint issue. But what if I told you that your nerves, specifically the ulnar, median, and radial ones, might actually be the reason for your discomfort? When these nerves get compressed or irritated, they can cause pain, weakness, and that frustrating pins and needles sensation. The good news, there are simple ways to test and treat this issue, and I'm going to show you exactly how. First off, nerve pain can also be influenced by your nervous system's fight or flight response. When your body perceives stress or danger, whether from having pain, past injuries, or even emotional stress, it can trigger a sympathetic nervous system response, making your nerves more sensitive and reactive. When this happens, your nerves might not just be irritated from compression. They could be in a state of heightened sensitivity, leading to burning, tingling, numbness, or even muscle fatigue. This is why some people experience nerve pain that seems to come and go, or why their symptoms flare up with stress or poor sleep. The key to long-term relief is not only addressing mechanical issues like nerve compression and mobility, but also calming the nervous system through breathing techniques, stress management, and proper movement patterns. Your nerves are like electrical cables running from your neck down to your fingers. They start in the cervical spine, aka the neck, and travel through multiple joints and soft tissues, which means they can get trapped or irritated at several points along the way. This is why nerve pain often feels like it moves or radiates, even though the actual source of the problem may be higher up in the neck. If a nerve is compressed or irritated, you might experience burning pain that moves down the arm, numbness in certain fingers or areas of the arm, tingling or pins and needles sensations, shaking or tremors when trying to use your hand, shooting pain that worsens with certain neck or shoulder movements, cramping or weakness in the arm or hand, and fatigue in the arm, making it harder to grip or lift objects. There are three main nerves that can cause these symptoms in the upper body and shoulder. To start, we have the ulnar nerve. This runs along the inside of your arm and can cause numbness in your pinky and ring fingers. If you ever hit your funny bone, you felt this nerve in action. Next up is the median nerve. This travels to the front of your arm and can contribute to symptoms like carpal tunnel syndrome, causing tingling in the thumb, index, and middle fingers. This can be misdiagnosed also as bicep pain. Lastly, we have the radial nerve. This wraps around the back of the arm and can lead to weakness in the wrist extensors, sometimes called wrist drop. Pain in the shoulder from this is in the back and also down into the tricep region. If any of these nerves become compressed due to lack of movement, tight muscles, or even an old injury, you might experience radiating pain down the arm. So how do I test and also fix the pain from nerve referral? Enter nerve glides, a simple but powerful way to assess and mobilize these nerves and reduce irritation. I'll guide you through some essential nerve glides to help free up your arm and get rid of that radiating pain. The test is essentially the exercise for these. If you're having any pain or tightness getting into these positions, it can be a positive sign for nerve tension. First up is ulnar nerve glides. Start by making an OK sign with your hand and placing it near your eye like a mask. You're going to have your fingers pointed down with your elbow out in front of you. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps, feeling a gentle stretch along the inside of your arm. It's important to note, guys, if you're having numbness or tingling while doing this exercise, you are pushing it too far or doing too many reps. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Next up, we have median nerve glides. You're going to start in a teapot position. From there, you're going to extend your arm out to the side with your palm facing up. Slowly extend your fingers and wrist back, feeling the pull through the front of your arm into your bicep and into your fingers. You can add a side bend away to progress this stretch. but be careful. Adding the neck away can bump this up a couple different mobility levels and cause a lot of tension. Make sure you proceed with caution. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps, ensuring you feel a mild stretch but no sharp pain. The next nerve up is radial nerve glides. Start with your arm out in front of you. From there, you're going to make a fist and flex your wrist down. Next, you will bring your arm behind your back, keeping your elbow extended. You can add a side bend away to progress this stretch. Same thing with the median nerve though. It can increase the tension that you're experiencing in your arm with it, so proceed with caution. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps to help free up any nerve restriction in that radial nerve pattern. To summarize, nerve pain sucks and is not fun. The approach on how to clear up the pain needs to be specific and have the right progressions and modifications along the way. If you feel like you might be having nerve pain, these exercises can help, but they are not the long-term solution. A proper shoulder movement assessment needs to be completed to understand the root cause so a specific approach can be made to fix it for the long term. If you are tired of the shoulder pain and you tried things like physical therapy, chiropractors, injections, or even surgery, and you're not seeing the results that you're looking for, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.